everybody, Tanisha here, coming to you guys with a giveaway prize that I won. I won this giveaway via Instagram, and this is from the Brown Mom Experience. So the first thing that she did is she sent me a gift card to Starbucks, which I'm so grateful for because their banana nut bread, honey. Get that banana nut bread, get you a little hot chocolate, honey, and then you'll be good to go. I don't care if it's summertime. Get you a little hot chocolate, get you that banana bread, okay, and you'll be good to go. So I cannot wait to have that during my mommy time. So I'm going to dive into the things that she sent to me. I'm really excited because I believe, from the picture, some of this is stuff that I've never owned before. So let's get into it. This right here is my stash, and it has the little bows on it. So I believe this is Simply Gilded. And this will be my first Simply Gilded anything. Now, I'm not sure if you're supposed to put pictures in here, or maybe you put your washi in here. Is that what this is for? I don't know, but I see the little Simply Gilded bows. So I'm going to look and see what this is so I can play with it more. She did send me a sweet little note, and it has chocolates on it. Isn't that cute? Yes, I thought that was really, really sweet as well. You guys know I'm all for handwritten sentiment. And so she got me the Blush Baby Neutrals, and this is 4 boutique washi tapes. And this is my first Simply Gilded washi, y'all. I have seen people covet the Simply Gilded washi, and I've always wanted some. I always enter giveaways, their giveaways, and I have not been able to get any yet. So I'm very excited to have my first. You never know what you can use it for. Too cute. So we are thankful for that. And we have here the Encourager Happy Planner mini book. Now, I just picked up the regular one, so this is the mini one. So that's going to be exciting because I have a mini chunky planner now that I'm using for my blog reviews and all that good stuff that I have to do for work. And we have here a crystal pen. Oh my God, I've always wanted one of these. It's so pretty. I don't believe that my light is doing it any justice, but this thing is so pretty, so gorgeous, so very pretty. And this is from villabeautiful.com, shopvillabeautiful.com. And I do believe there's a little refill for it too, okay? So that in itself is a whole nother blessing. I'll be able to use this for a while. And then we have here a planner, and this is a nice coil on this planner. This is not what I'm used to seeing. This is real nice. So I think, yes, this is an Erin Condren planner. This is my very first one. I am so excited because, I have seen these spiral planners, and I was like, I don't know if I could be a spiral girl, but I also did not know the coil was sturdy and super strong like this. That's the one thing I don't like about some of the spiral planners I've tried, is that the coil is just flimsy and it moves and bends and comes apart at the bottom down here. But I don't think you'll have a problem with this. This is so nice. So nice. I can definitely use this. It looks like it's just jotting down your goals. There's not a lot of... Oh, yes. This could easily be a journal. So I know I would definitely be using this. Like, that cover is so pretty too. So pretty. And then, oh, it has a folder? Okay. Okay, now, is that stickers in the back? I have never... Oh, wow. I have never used or seen Erin Condren anything, y'all. I'm so excited about this. This just made my day. I didn't even pay attention to everything. And then another, oh, you can change the covers on that? Oh, wow. So this is another cover. And then I noticed that it had like a writing thing in the other one. So I guess you can write inside, maybe dry erase marker. I did not even know that was a thing. Okay, well, I'm really excited. Thank you so much for my gift card and all my goodies to the Brown Mom Experience. She is on Instagram, and she is also on YouTube, so you can check her out. And when you do, please let her know that Married to Katie K if you follow me on my planner channel, or Team Kemp Academy if you follow me on my homeschool Instagram. Let her know that we sent you, and that you checked out all these prizes, and you want to see what she is over there doing in her neck of the woods on YouTube as well as on Instagram. All right, so thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to check out www.tanishakemp.com to see what I am blogging about, and also you'll be able to see some more pictures of all of these awesome things and awesome prizes. And then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, or if you're watching this on IGTV, honey, go ahead and double tap and let everybody know that you like this, and share it with your friends. All right, see you guys in the next video.